Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 3D, then 4D, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this ALCATEL. You need to begin by opening Settings. Then scroll all the way down and tap on System. After that, select Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Keyboard. Then select Text Correction, and as you can see, all typing features are available over here. If you want to turn on or off one of them, just click on the sweater next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!